Today is going to be a quick recipe share. I've got some, well, about 8 medium-sized chicken thighs. They've been deboned, and I've put a little slit and included some tomato, another little slit, and added a piece of mozzarella cheese. If you haven't got mozzarella cheese you can slice, just add ordinary mozzarella. And then I've seasoned them first under pan with olive oil, which I've sprayed on the bottom of the pan, and then once all the spices were put on, I've sprayed some more olive oil on top. Then I put some salt, some pepper, a little tiny sprinkle of cayenne pepper. I put some BBQ chicken seasoning over them, a sprinkle of onion powder, a sprinkle of garlic powder, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour cream over this, and then I'm going to dot it with a nice pesto, and then it has to be baked. And I can hear my cat in the background caterwauling. I'm sorry, he sounds so funny. He's just had a big meal. So this bakes probably for about 40 minutes. Cover it probably for about the first 15. Let it get going, and then obviously taste it midway through. If it needs some seasoning adjustment, you know, please adjust it. So I'll go ahead and pour in the cream. Now, some people like to use heavy whip or heavy pouring cream. I'm just using pure cream, just the plain kind. Just gently pour it all over. It gives a luscious sauce, and you know, it's just luscious. You don't have to add too much. I think that's more than enough. And I'm going to now add, I've got this brand, but any brand of classic pesto is what you need. So just take nice gobs of it and put it in between the little pieces of chicken, and that will amalgamate into the cream and give this a gorgeous, lovely, fragrant and spicy taste. Kind of like you know, your pesto pasta with cream, but even more luscious because it's got chicken and tomato and mozzarella through it. So it's as simple as that. That my thigh fillets were skinless. I did mention that they were deboned, but you can also, if you like, use breast fillets. I prefer the thigh fillets because they're a bit juicier. In any event, I'm going to cover this for at least 10-15 minutes in a hot oven and cook it, and then uncover this and let it all start bubbling away, and obviously test it before. I mean, everybody's oven's different, and check it, and if it's cooked, take it out and eat it. Enjoy. Tonight I'm also making, since everybody's hungry, I'm making some pizzas. Now, I don't think you need me to show you how to make a pizza base, but you know, it's just dough, a flour, yeast, salt, a little bit of sugar and olive oil. If somebody would like to see that being made, just let me know in the comments and I'll make it, try and get a video up for you. So I've got 2 of them on the go, and I have got a little bit of sauce on the base. I've got a nice smoked ham, a nice pepperoni type salami there. I've got black olives, some anchovies, fresh buffalo mozzarella, and because we're Australian, we love pineapple on our pizzas, so just that lovely tangy, you know, taste against the saltiness of the anchovies. So I'll just get on and put some slices on, and then I'll just put some mozzarella on. mozzarella. And there you have it. They're both dressed, and I'll bake those probably for about 15-20 minutes in a very hot oven till they get all lovely and golden on top, and slice them up and enjoy them with the chicken pesto and the lovely pizzas, and I may make a salad of some kind. Not sure yet. Oh, that's looking delicious. It's all creamy and cooked. And I'll be serving that not with a salad tonight actually. I've got some green string beans. And I think it'll taste lovely with that. So I'm very happy with that. And now for the taste test. So I've got a bit of chicken, a little bit of a green bean. Oh, that's so good. That is really good. Seriously moist, tender, flavoursome. Oh, I've got to have another bite. Yum. Delicious. I hope you try it. I'm sure you will enjoy it.